How to connect AirPods to Samsung TV. First of all, you're going to want to get your remote, whether that's the Samsung Smart TV remote or the universal remote, then press the home button on that remote. So for me, it's this one here. Then you want to press the left button to go along to the end there where it says source. Click the middle button on source to go into that section. Then you want to scroll along the right until you see connection guide. Click enter on that. In the connection guide, you want to go to audio device. It should be the one at the top. Then scroll to the right, go down until you see Bluetooth. Click enter on that. Then you want to click next on these two sections here in the connection guide. And then you want to make sure after you click setup now in the second section, you want to have your AirPods available. Then you want to kind of open them slightly, the little open case part of the AirPods, and then make sure you press the white button that is on the AirPods like so. Then it should go ahead and be on the list there where it says your AirPods. For me, it says Lee's AirPods there. Needs pairing. You want to press the enter button on that. So then you can pair them together after just pressing them, after pressing and holding them down for 5 seconds, how we'd usually connect the AirPods to anything. Then go ahead and press enter on the AirPods. Then if you want to go ahead and click on pair and connect, then you can see that it's AirPods connecting, then you can see they're connected there. That's how it's done. You can go ahead and turn volume up or down using the remote on there. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.